Welcome back to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. What I'm sharing with you today is based on my personal experience using StubHub. Specifically, I'm taking a look at their website, which is located at www.stubhub.com. StubHub is a popular online platform where you can buy and sell tickets to all sorts of live events. We're talking concerts, sports games, theater performances, you name it. It's a marketplace that connects people who have tickets they can't use with people who are looking for tickets to those very events. This can be incredibly helpful if you missed out on tickets during the initial sale or if the event is sold out. Think of it as a secondary ticket market, where prices can fluctuate based on demand, just like you'd see with, say, airline tickets or hotel rooms. Navigating the StubHub website is pretty straightforward. You can search for events by artist, team, venue, or even by city. They have a pretty comprehensive search function that makes it easy to pinpoint exactly what you're looking for. Once you find the event you're interested in, you can browse the available tickets. You'll see different seating options, price points, and even the seller's rating, which can give you an idea of their reliability. This transparency is a valuable feature when you're dealing with a marketplace like this. It's important to keep in mind that ticket prices on StubHub aren't fixed. They can be higher or sometimes even lower than the original face value, depending on the popularity of the event and how close it is to the date. This dynamic pricing is a key aspect of the platform, and it's something to be aware of as you browse. Now, while StubHub does offer a fan protect guarantee, it's always a good idea to do your research and read the fine print before making a purchase. Just like with any online marketplace, it's wise to be an informed buyer. Understanding the terms and conditions will help ensure a smooth and positive experience. They often have deals and promotions running, so it's worth checking back regularly if you don't find what you're looking for right away. With a little patience and savvy browsing, StubHub can be a great resource for finding tickets to the events you don't want to miss.